Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you where Nerf darts come. Do you know that? I think you don't know that, because it's a big secret. So, I found a cow, a little cow, and here's written UNDMC and Nerf. So it means Ultimate Nerf Dart Maker Cow, and by Nerf. So that cow is actually making Nerf darts. See? That cow is making Nerf darts. And that's how all Nerf darts come. So, but I waited a few days and then I got some Nerf darts here. But in Nerf office they have hundreds of these cows, and so now you know where Nerf darts come. And see you next time.